Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log in to your HDFC Bank NetBanking account online. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.hdfcbank.com. After pressing the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of HDFC Bank. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see a login button. Click on that drop down menu. And on the first section, you'll be able to see the net banking option. Click on it and you'll be led to a new net banking login page. Here, firstly, you'll have to enter your customer ID or your user ID. If in case you've forgotten your customer ID, click on the Forgot Customer ID link and follow through the process to retrieve your customer ID. But if not, click on the Continue button. Then you'll have to enter your password or your IPIN. If you've also forgotten your password or your IPIN, click on the Forgot Password or IPIN link and follow through the process to retrieve your password or IPIN. But if not, after entering both your credentials, all you'll have to do is click on the login button and you'll have successfully logged in to your HDFC Bank NetBanking account online. So it is that easy, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.